Wow, it's hot. Right now I'm standing in front of a restaurant called Pad Thai Jed Yod. Now I've had a lot of Pad Thai. Even before I ever came to Thailand, Pad Thai is just what I think of when I think of Thai food. Pad Thai, it's in the name. So it's still one of my very favorite meals, and we're at my favorite Pad Thai restaurant called Pad Thai Jed Yod. Jed Yod is actually the name of the temple right across the street from it. That's Wat Jed Yod, I think. And Jed means 7. Yod is sort of like the top. And at the top of the temple, I think that there are like 7 tips or something like that. So Jed Yod, Pad Thai Jed Yod, favorite restaurant. Now, Pad Thai is one of those foods that you probably heard of already, but there's a lot of different ways to prepare it. Excuse me, thank you. And this is the place that does it the very, very best I've ever had it. It's super clean, super fresh, and this is the best Pad Thai I've ever had. We've got one of the plates right here so far. It looks like this has just egg in it, right?
Egg, pork, dry shrimp.
Oh wow, okay. So it's sort of like a special order. That one's for Chris. I got Pad Thai Guy. Guy means chicken, so it's Pad Thai with chicken. In the States, I used to always get like Pad Thai with beef, chicken, and shrimp. But for some reason in Thailand, I love it with just chicken. Now, when you get Pad Thai, there's many different ways that you can eat it. The classic is to just get the regular Pad Thai and then throw some peanuts on there. They have a little like vegetable bar on the side over there. And we would usually grab them ourselves, but we're known, the ladies know us here, so they actually prepared a really nice plate for us with the veggies. So this is banana flour, and then you have your bean sprouts, cucumber, some lime, and your green onions. The green onions and the banana leaf, you actually kind of just eat on the side. It's sort of like a refreshing palate cleanser type of thing. And then you just like alternate between eating those and eating the Pad Thai. Now, my favorite thing is to mix the peanuts in there, and a lot of times on the side of the table, in this case, they have some sugar over here and some spice in the corner. Here, can you pull that out, please? Ah, there's mine. Kapun kap. All right, so here's my Pad Thai. You can see that it has the guy, the chicken, right here on the side. And a lot of the times, the other vegetables, you'll take your bean sprouts and your lime, and you'll squeeze the lime on top. You'll mix the bean sprouts in. These are like cooked bean sprouts. These are a little bit more crunchy, so it gives it some flavor. Now, if you want to really like get into it, you can add some spicy powder. You can do some chili oil. It's a little less common, but you can put chili oil on there, and you can add sugar. You wouldn't expect it if you've never had Pad Thai before, but there actually is sugar as one of the main ingredients, and sometimes it's nice to add a little bit of extra palm sugar to that. So this is our Pad Thai. It looks nice and steamy, served beautifully on a banana leaf, and I can't wait to eat my favorite, because we've been trying to come to this restaurant over and over. The first time it was too late, they closed. Second time it was actually a full day they were closed because of a holiday, and we finally made it into town, and we finally get to eat this Pad Thai. So let's dig in. Let's throw these on top of here. I'll do a couple of bean sprouts. I don't need much. And then lime. I've learned that I really like a lot of lime on my soups and on my Pad Thai. When I do it my way, it's called Brad Thai. All right. Oh, this looks so good. Look at that. Oh, beautiful.ร้อนมาก อร่อยมาก Alright guys, if you've never been to Thailand and you're coming, you need to put Pad Thai at the top of your list because it is the best food. It is accessible in all parts of Thailand. It's super cheap. You'll find it on the streets. They'll be selling it just all over the place in touristy areas, in not touristy areas, in restaurants, on the street, on mountaintops. You can find it anywhere. It's so delicious. Put it on your list. ขอบคุณครับ
ขอบคุณจ้า
โชคดีครับ